Sustainable Development Goals. The Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, are also known as global goals. They were adopted by all United Nations member states in 2015 to set a goal to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that all people enjoy prosperity and peace by 2030. Let's now understand them individually and how AI can help to bring the change and achieve these goals by 2030. No poverty. Eradicating extreme poverty and reducing poverty at least by 50% is the target to achieve. Worldwide, approximately 17.2% people are struggling to fulfill the most basic needs like health, education, and access to clean water and sanitation. AI can help in improving the farming land, agriculture, quality of products, etc. AI can also help with aid distribution in poor and war-torn areas, or where natural disasters have caused heavy destruction. 2. Zero hunger. SDG 2 aims to end hunger issues by 2030 and ensure access to nutritious food for all children. AI can help in reaching out the goal by tracking food wastage, finding ways to grow yields, identifying diseases and pest outbreaks, analyzing means to reduce population, etc. 3. Good health and well-being. This goal focuses on the well-being and good health for all. It aims to end epidemics like cholera, tuberculosis, malaria, and other communicable diseases. AI can help in achieving this goal by increasing the ability of healthcare professionals to analyze huge data sets, providing better feedback, and finding accurately the cause of diseases to discover the cure. Wearable healthcare technology also uses AI to serve the patients and healthcare workers. 4. Quality education. Education is one of the most basic public services. It enables people to develop all of their attributes and skills to achieve their potential as human beings and members of the society. Quality education provides the foundation for equity in society and helps to reach gender equality. AI in education can be used to achieve quality education goals by developing smart content, providing personalized guidance, round-the-clock assistance, virtual learning environment, and creating more secured online exams. 5. Gender equality. For sustainable development, it's necessary that we end all forms of discrimination against women. This is a basic human right. We need to provide equal access to resources, opportunities, power, and property to women in the world. AI-powered apps can be used by employers to use gender-sensitive language for their recruitment drive. AI can analyze huge amount of data to find the area where more gender-specific issues exist. 6. Clean water and sanitation. The aim of this goal is to provide clean water by reducing pollution, eliminating dumping and minimizing release of harmful chemicals by 2030. It also aims to educate people for good hygiene habits and improve sanitation facilities. AI can influence machine learning to analyze wastewater treatment plants' data and provide predictive recommendations so that plants can meet clean water and sanitation objectives at the best operating costs. 7. Affordable and clean energy. SDG 7 aims to provide clean energy by 2030 by the means of effectively implementing renewable energy solutions that are cheaper, more reliable, and efficient. The AI-powered systems will be able to analyze the huge data related to energy collections and provide a vision on energy consumption. This will result in expanding the market and reducing the energy management cost. 8. Decent work and economic growth. SDG 8 aims to lessen the youth unemployment. It targets to provide opportunities for all to get work with fair income, security in the workplace, and social protection for families. AI can be used to analyze the large amount of data to improve the decision-making process, which will result in improved products, markets, and industries, thereby improving the economic growth. 9. Industry, innovation, and infrastructure. These are vital forces in the economic growth and development of any country. The SDG promotes sustainable industries, investment in scientific research and innovation, which will lead to sustainable development. AI can work as a catalyst in achieving this agenda. 10. Reduced inequalities. It aims to ensure equal opportunities and end discrimination by eliminating discriminatory laws, policies, and practices. AI may help in improving industrial growth, thereby improving the global financial market and institutions. 11. Sustainable cities and communities. SDG 11 aims to provide safe and affordable housing facilities to all. It also advocates green and culturally inspiring conditions for all. Technologies like AI in smart cities help the cities to utilize current assets more effectively, allot resources more efficiently, and understand how data can be shared and managed across the whole system. 12. Responsible consumption and production. The aims to use products and services in a manner that is socially beneficial, economically feasible, and environment-friendly during their whole life cycle. AI can help in eliminating waste, improving farming techniques, and using resources efficiently, which in turn will improve the responsible consumption and production.